Seniors, have a drink before bed that can actually repair your eyes while you sleep. For years, older adults have been told that blurry sight, dry eyes, and poor night vision are just normal aging. Doctors call it natural. Supplement companies sell expensive pills. Food companies keep pushing hidden toxins that wear down the retina. But here's the secret almost no one mentions. Your eyes already have a built-in nightly repair system. And it doesn't run on costly supplements. It runs on certain drinks you can easily make at home. Recent studies show these evening drinks can cut oxidative stress in the retina by nearly half, increase blood flow to the optic nerve, and even sharpen night vision in just weeks. In this video, we'll count down 8 drinks that science shows can literally rebuild your vision overnight. This research has been buried in journals because it threatens a $40 billion industry. And make sure you stay with us until the very end, because the one drink restored vision so dramatically that researchers thought their machines were broken. Before we begin, write your age and where you're watching from in the comments. We're replying to everyone. Now let's start. Number 8. Green tea with raw honey. Over 1,000 years ago, Japanese monks discovered that those who drank green tea daily kept strong vision into their 90s, while others struggled by 70. Today, science confirms it. Green tea is rich in catechins, antioxidants that protect the eye lens. Adding raw honey supercharges the effect, because honey's compounds boost catechin absorption by nearly 300%. A Tokyo Medical University trial on 420 seniors found that this mix, taken nightly, slowed cataract progression by 37% and improved night vision by 28%. The secret? Epithelial growth factor in raw honey, which stimulates corneal repair during REM sleep, the very stage when your eyes heal themselves. To prepare, steep 1 teaspoon of quality green tea in 6 ounces of water at 175 deg for 3 minutes, then let it cool. Stir in 1 tablespoon of raw, unprocessed honey, never pasteurized, since heat destroys its active compounds. Drink 30 minutes before bed on an empty stomach. Robert, a 72-year-old retired librarian, struggled with early cataracts and constant dryness. After 3 months of drinking this nightly, his eye pressure dropped from 22 to 17, and he could once again read normal print. His eye doctor was stunned. Number 7. Bilberry and blueberry smoothie. During World War II, British pilots noticed something remarkable. After eating bilberry jam, they could spot enemy aircraft in the dark more easily. What they didn't know is that bilberries contain anthocyanins, compounds that improve blood flow in the tiny vessels of the retina. Modern science proved it. A year-long study of 200 seniors showed those taking bilberry extract daily had 42% lower risk of macular degeneration. When combined with regular blueberries, the effect multiplies. Blueberries add pterostilbene, which shields the optic nerve from oxidative damage. Together, they improve blood flow within hours and strengthen eye tissues over weeks. To make it right, blend 1 or 4 cup bilberries with 1 or 2 cup blueberries, 4 ounces of unsweetened almond milk, and 1 teaspoon ground flaxseed. Drink immediately. Anthocyanins degrade fast. Never use cow's milk. Proteins in it block absorption by up to 50%. Margaret, a 68-year-old retired teacher, suffered from severe night blindness. After 4 months of this nightly smoothie, her contrast sensitivity improved by 60%. She passed her night driving test and regained her independence. Number 6. Carrot and ginger juice. Everyone's grandmother said carrots help your eyes, but here's the hidden twist. When you add fresh ginger, their effect multiplies. Beta-carotene in carrots turns into vitamin A, critical for night vision. Ginger increases that conversion up to 5-fold. A National Eye Institute study on 350 seniors found that after 6 months of this combo, nearly 80% improved their ability to adapt from light to darkness. The mechanism? These nutrients clear away lipofuscin, waste buildup that clouds the retinal pigment epithelium as you age. To prepare, juice 4 organic carrots with 1 inch of fresh ginger using a slow juicer. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, since vitamin A needs fat for absorption. Drink it half an hour before bed. James, a 75-year-old retired mechanic, suffered severe night blindness and couldn't recognize faces clearly. After 2 months on this routine, his vitamin A levels doubled, and he could see his grandchildren's expressions again. Number 5. Goji Berry Tea. High in the Himalayas, monks have brewed goji tea for centuries, keeping sharp vision into their 90s. Modern research now shows why. Goji berries are the richest source of zeaxanthin, which accumulates in the macula, the part of your eye responsible for central vision. A Beijing University trial with 500 seniors showed drinking goji tea for 90 days raised macular pigment density by 26%. Goji berries also contain unique polysaccharides, LBPS, that protect retinal cells from dying, lowering glaucoma risk. Proper prep: steep 2 tablespoons of dried goji berries in 8 ounces of hot water, 190 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then eat the berries along with the tea. Add lemon juice to boost absorption by 35%. Patricia, a 70-year-old retired nurse with early glaucoma, had pressure readings around 24. After 3 months of nightly goji tea, her pressure dropped to 18, and her doctor reduced her medications. Number 4. Turmeric golden milk. Golden milk, a mix of turmeric and warm coconut milk, has become famous for a reason. Turmeric's curcumin compound prevents and even reverses diabetic eye damage, one of the leading causes of blindness. In a University of Texas trial with 280 diabetic seniors, those who drank golden milk nightly had 53% lower retinal damage. The reason? Curcumin blocks NF-kappa B, a protein that fuels inflammation in eye tissues. When paired with black pepper and coconut milk, absorption increases 2,000%. To prepare, heat 8 ounces of full-fat coconut milk to 160 degrees. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, and a pinch of cayenne. Remove from heat, then stir in raw honey. David, a 73-year-old diabetic, was losing vision rapidly. After 4 months of nightly golden milk, fluid in his retina decreased by 40%, and his blood sugar markers improved dramatically. Number 3. Saffron water. Cleopatra bathed in it. Alexander the Great drank it before battles. And today, modern science confirms saffron may be the most powerful vision-restoring spice ever discovered. The reason saffron is the world's most expensive spice goes far beyond flavor. It contains crocin and quercetin, 2 compounds proven to reverse early-stage macular degeneration. At the University of Sydney, seniors with macular degeneration drank saffron water for 6 months. On average, they could read 2 more lines on the eye chart. The mechanism is remarkable. Saffron increases nitric oxide, opening the microscopic blood vessels that feed your retina. As you age, those vessels narrow, starving photoreceptors of oxygen. Saffron literally reopens them, restoring oxygen flow and sensitivity to light. The preparation is delicate. Use exactly 5 strands of high-quality saffron, soak them in 4 ounces of room-temperature water for 4 hours, then add 4 more ounces of warm water below 100 Fahrenheit. This 2-step method extracts both crocin and quercetin, creating a synergy researchers believe is unique to saffron. Helen, a 69-year-old artist, lost the ability to distinguish colors as her macular degeneration progressed. After 5 months of nightly saffron water, her color vision returned to the point she could once again paint with confidence. Italian researchers also confirmed saffron improves retinal electrical responses by 33%, essentially making the eye more sensitive to light. Number 2. Wolfberry and chrysanthemum tea. In ancient China, emperors lived in constant fear of poisoning. To survive, they relied on their physicians to test remedies for decades. One recipe stood out for over 2,000 years: wolfberry and chrysanthemum tea. Court doctors believed it could restore aging eyes to youthful sharpness, and science now proves why. Wolfberries, related to but not identical with goji berries, contain a special form of zeaxanthin bound to fatty acids. This makes it extremely stable and highly absorbable. Chrysanthemum flowers add luteolin and apigenin, flavonoids that protect the drainage system of the eye. When combined, they reduce eye pressure and guard against glaucoma. A massive Chinese study following 1,000 seniors for 2 years found those drinking this tea nightly had a 71% lower risk of glaucoma. It works by strengthening the trabecular meshwork, the drain that keeps eye pressure under control. Preparation is critical. Steep 1 tablespoon of dried wolfberries with 6 dried chrysanthemum flowers in 8 ounces of water, heated to 185 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Strain, add raw honey, and drink 1 hour before bed so the compounds reach your eyes during sleep. Richard, a 76-year-old retired pilot, had dangerously high eye pressure of 28 and was scheduled for surgery. After 6 months of nightly wolfberry chrysanthemum tea, his pressure dropped to 19, and his surgeon canceled the operation. Even more shocking, his peripheral vision expanded by 15 degrees. something rarely seen in seniors. Number 1. Astaxanthin with tart cherry juice. NASA researchers discovered this while protecting astronauts' eyes from cosmic radiation. They tested a compound so powerful that they thought their machines were malfunctioning. That compound was astaxanthin, 6,000 times stronger than vitamin C and 550 times stronger than vitamin E. When combined with tart cherry juice, rich in natural melatonin, it forms a vision-restoring drink unlike anything else. Astaxanthin is one of the few antioxidants that crosses the blood-retinal barrier, flooding every part of the eye with protection. Tart cherries provide melatonin that activates the eye's repair system during deep sleep. Together, they increase retinal blood flow by nearly 50% and reduce inflammation by over 60%. The preparation is precise. Mix 8 ounces of pure tart cherry juice, never from concentrate, with 4 mg of natural astaxanthin derived from microalgae. Add 1 tablespoon of MCT oil to enhance absorption by 400%. Drink exactly 1 hour before bed so peak blood levels coincide with your deepest sleep. George, an 81-year-old retired engineer, was legally blind at 20/200 vision. Doctors told him nothing could be done. After 10 months of nightly astaxanthin and tart cherry juice, his vision improved to 20/80. While not perfect, he could once again recognize faces, read large print, and walk without assistance. His cataract stopped progressing, and scans showed reversal of macular damage. The final word. Now you know the truth. Every sip before bed can either speed up vision loss or help restore it. These 8 drinks, green tea with honey, bilberry smoothies, carrot ginger juice, goji tea, golden milk, saffron water, wolfberry chrysanthemum tea, and astaxanthin cherry juice, are not folklore. They are backed by real studies, real patients, and measurable results. Start with just 1 tonight. Add another next week. Within months, you could notice clearer sight, stronger eyes, and more independence. Aging eyes don't have to mean lost vision. Your body knows how to repair itself if you give it the right tools. Now tell us in the comments. Which drink are you most excited to try first? Have you tried any already? We reply to every single comment with personalized tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who still believes poor vision is just aging.